Question. DS. There is a series of numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, m, 6, and 7. What is the value of m? Condition 1. M is an odd number. Condition 2. M is a multiple of 5. Solution. Let's solve this DS question using the variable approach. First property of medians. Assumption of median. When we are looking for the median of a set, it is assumed that the set is in ascending order, from least to greatest. So, if you see the elements are not in order, rearrange the elements in increasing order. The question will normally state, in that order, if the elements are in order. Definition of median. As stated previously, in DS questions about medians, E is the most likely answer. Let's apply the 3 steps suggested previously. Follow the first step of the variable approach by modifying and rechecking the original condition and the question. We are asked about the value of m in the set 1, 2, 3, 4, m, 6, 7, which is not in ascending order by the first property of medians. Follow the second and the third steps. From the original condition, we have one variable, m. To match the number of variables with the number of equations, we need one equation. Since conditions 1 and 2 will provide one equation each, D would most likely be the answer. Recall 3 principles and choose D as the most likely answer. Let's take a look at each condition. Condition 1 tells us that m is an odd number, but there are various possibilities as m could be 1, 3, 5, 7, and so on. Therefore, the value of n is not unique and the condition is not sufficient by CMT2, which means that the number of answers must be 1. Condition 2 tells us that m is a multiple of 5, but there are various possibilities as m could be 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and so on. Therefore, the value of n is not unique and the condition is not sufficient by CMT2, which means that the number of answers must be 1. Both conditions 1 and 2 combined tell us that m could be any odd multiple of 5, such as 5, 15, 25, and so on. Here again, the value of m is not unique and not sufficient by CMT2, which means that the number of answers must be 1. Both conditions 1 and 2 together are not sufficient. Thus, the correct answer is E. On the actual GMAT, stick to the variable approach and choose D as the answer. Although the correct answer for this question is E, it is 60% likely that D would be the correct answer. And sticking to the approach is going to be more successful than worrying about breaking down every question. Answer E.